And Tats Bless is ready to give us the hot topic for today. Dziva, Hande.
I have your hot topic for today. Please listen carefully. Hi KVG, I'm a lady aged 28 years and I need your help, Nedare. In 2023, I got married to my boyfriend. We had dated for 3 years. I finished university and then I started working for an NGO. And he comes from a wealthy family and is part of the family business. I wanted us to wait for marriage to be intimate. But he insisted in year 2 of dating, saying, ndagara ndichazokurora. Kumusha kwedu tinokoshesa umandara. So ndaitodawo kubvisirwa mombe yangu like what happened at my sister's lovola ceremony. I explained all this to him and he said mombe yako inouya, I promise. So I lost my purity to him. And then fast forward 2023, he married me and akadurisirwa maroro. He paid 12,000 in total. Mombe yangu akabvisa as he promised. But problems started after a month or so into our marriage. Ndaiti ndikabika, you would complain it's not good enough. Things like dressing chaiyo, you would criticize saying, handipfeke sevakadzi vemazuva ano. I would ask what he meant by that, but hapana chaitaurwa chine musoro. Chakazonyanyondirwadza was how he started belittling me in the bedroom, saying ndizvo zvandakabhadharira 12,000 here. It made no sense because we had been intimate before tarorana. Why akatanga kucomplaina now? It bothered me so much zvekuti I started asking my friends, kuti zviri normal here zviri kuitika? My other friend encouraged me to dress up and spice things up, but haana kumira kundidzikisira. The verbal abuse was too much. I was suffering in this marriage. So, pandakaita vana, our twin girl, I went home ndichinosungirwa and never went back. Takaita dare now idzi dzikakurukurwa, but he was so disrespectful in addressing these issues. He was vulgar and rude, saying, mwana wenyu makamudzidzisa kuchengeta murume here, talking about nyaya dzembedroom pane vanyarikani. After this, my family agreed kuti andina kwandinodzokera. Ndakanobvisa gopuro and started my life nevana vangu the whole of 2024. And anga akanyarara up until this year in January, ndipo pakauya achiti mari yandakabvisa yakawandisa. He wants half back, saying handina kumbogara nemukadzi nguva refu. My elders dismissed him. Akapotsa arohwa my brother achida kutaurisa. They told him hapana mari yatinokupa, but now KVG ndikakuudzai jerera ndiri kupika hamumbozvida. He's stalking me on social media. He sends my threats, and every time he comes to pick vana, anotenderera mumba mese to see if there is a man in the house. I have begged my people vangompa mari iyi ndiwane rugare, but vanoramba saying kumujaidza wakamuzvarira vana. My question is, when will it end? Mosha yangu ndeyei. He has since moved on and is dating publicly. Unonzwa vanhu vachiti vasangana naye with this other girl. I wonder chaari kuda kwandiri chii. I have a good job and I'm thinking of giving him mariacho privately from my savings so that I can find peace. I need your help, Vedari, and please read my hot topic.
Well, we just did. Thank you so much, Dziva.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Wow. It's a hot one indeed.
0772162651. Vedari. Yeah. Regaitinzwe kuti munoi wono sei